Hey everyone, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix, and today we're gonna draw a pirate.
That's right, today we're gonna draw a pirate. Arr, me hearties, let's go.
Okay.
What do pirates say?
Arr.
So first of all, we're gonna draw a line to form the bottom of the pirate's hat. So we're gonna go from left to right, sort of in the middle up the top here. So go one line like that. Oh, Phoenix is a fast and furious line. Ooh. We wanna form the sides of the hat here, so we're gonna do a curve up, like that. And think of these as the sides of a boat, and go one up there.
Like a canoe.
And make sure we just, oh yeah, it looks like a canoe, that's right.
Canoe.
And so what we want to do in the middle, you want to probably put a dot just there. I'll show you why in a minute. So we're going to do sort of like two curves that come in and around here, and another curve that comes in there. But these curves aren't just going to connect. They're going to curve and kind of dip down. So I'll show you what I mean. So we go up, and then down like that. So think of it as like you're going up a hill and then you're going quickly down a hill. So we do the other side, up and then down like so. There we go. Ooh, that looks like a mustache, and yours does too. It's a Mario. Okay, so the next step is we want to form the pirate's face, and this predominantly is just going to be his beard. So we're going to start here. And you're going to do like a big bowl. It's kind of like an egg-shaped plant. Kind of looks like an eggplant now, doesn't it? Do you like eggplant? You don't like eggplant? Eggplant's interesting. You could grill it. You grill eggplant and eat it. It's nice. Bit of oil. Nice. All right, so we're going to do the pirate's ears right now. So they're kind of like a backward C on the right side like that. And then a proper C on the other side like that. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do is his beard. And his beard is going to shape his face. So the first thing we can do is we start here and we do a curve line into there, like so. And then you want to do on the other side, do a curve on like that. Now from here, we want to do like go up a hill in the middle and come down on the other side. So it sort of forms the chin of his beard. We want to do the pirate's nose. So it is a J in the middle. So J like that. Beautiful. We're going to do one eye over here. It's kind of like a jelly bean. Like so. Yep. And we're going to do some highlights in that jelly bean. One big circle here and a small circle underneath.
Ooh,
and we want to colour in the part here black. But don't colour those highlights in black. You want to leave them white.
This.
Yes, like that, because it gives him a bit of character. Arr. Now we're going to draw his eye patch, land lovers. Okay, so we want to do a U that comes around like that. Good. And then what we want to do is normally the eye patch is connected with some sort of string or something to the side. So we're going to do one line there and one line there. Now you want to colour these lines in here. And then we want to do the same over this side that comes sort of to the ear. So two lines like that and colour in. So don't worry about if you're going over your original beard marks and stuff. And then what you want to do is you want to colour in the eye patch black. But if you want to colour it in a different colour, you can leave this white at the moment and colour it in whatever you like. It's entirely up to you. You can make your pirate your own.
Up to the end, like at the end.
Yeah. Do you think the pirate's going to have like a mouth?
Yes.
A mouth. All right, so we do like a little U like that. He's going to be a bit of a happy pirate, but he's going to be a cheeky pirate as well. So if we put a little U this way here, look, he's a bit cheeky. It's kind of like he just ate something. No, just ate a donut. Ate a pirate donut. So you think pirates ate donuts? What did pirates eat? Potatoes. Bread. Sauerkraut. Apples.
Bed.
Yeah, apples. Okay, next step is the pirate's body. What we're going to do here is pretty simple. I'm going to do sort of a bendy line like that, there, and another bendy line on the opposite side to meet up with it. From here, what we want to do is the pirate's feet. So we're going to do like kind of a U like that and connect it at the bottom. And on the opposite side, we do the same thing. Little mound thing at the bottom. They're kind of like scones.
In the middle?
Well, so in the middle with his legs, you want to go one line up like that, and on the other side on an angle, and you want to connect them at the bottom. Okay. Kind of looking a bit funny right now. Oh, look at him. So he's going to have a vest on this part. So what you want to do is you want to have a line that comes down here, one line like that, and then you want to curve it in like that. And then do the exact same thing on the opposite side. One down, line down, and then another curve up.
There we go.
Oh, I like it, Phoenix. Now, to do his line of his pants, you want to just do a line there. So that's the top of his pants. Wow, good job, Phoenix. Good job. The next bit is we want to do the pirate's arm. So we're going to do his right arm. We want to come down and curve it in like that. Yep. And this part's going to have a hook on one arm. So you want to do a line there and color this part in black. And you know what? I'm going to extend mine out just a bit. Like that.
Me too.
Okay, so once you've got the base of your hook, we want to do an actual hook. So we want to do a J like that. And then you want to follow the J again with a point. And there you go, there's your hook. Cool. So what we want to do on the other side is his other arm. So you want to come down, curve it in again, like so. It's kind of like big fishing hooks on the side. So the next part is we want to give him a thumb. So it's kind of a little U here, like that. What happens on the pirate's hat?
Skull and crossbones.
Skull and crossbones on his hat. Okay, so the best thing to do here is do a circle, half circle up there. It's kind of a C. And then you want to do a line down on that side and a line down on this side, and then meet in the middle. And then you want to do two circles, one for the skull's eyes, and then you want to do 1, 2, 3 lines here to form the skull. Now the skull and bones. Now what we want to do is we're going to do one line up like that, coming out, yep. Another line down like that. And you want to do another line that goes like that. Beautiful. And then we want to do one C, and then 2 C's, and then connect them up for the bones, and another one, 1, 2, and then we've got to do the other one the other way. So we're going to do one line up there, one line up there, one plop, 2 plop, and then we follow those lines, imaginary line going through the skull, one there. Okay, so the second line, imagine it's going through here from the bone all the way underneath. Draw it to there. And then we want to do one pop and another bone there.
There.
Yeah, very good. So the next step, just to add some little things to the pirate, we want to do maybe a couple of pockets. So one pocket there on an angle and another pocket here. And there we go. We have our pirate. Our. What's your pirate's name?
Captain Phoenix.
Captain Phoenix. Oh, I like it. Yeah.
That's me. But I don't have a beard yet.
Don't have a beard yet. So what is the next step?
Color in.
Color in. All right, there we go, guys. We just colored in our pirates.
Yay!
Okay, Phoenix, now what is the name of your pirate?
Captain Phoenix.
It's Captain Phoenix, and I don't know what I'm calling this guy, but I'm thinking I'm going to call him Long John Orange Beard Pirate Dude.
Think of something good.
Think of something good?
Not that one.
I don't know, maybe he's just Long Orange Beard Bob. There we go, Long Orange Beard Bob. Does that sound good?
Yes.
And what do pirates say? Phoenix, what do they say?
Arr!
Arr, I am a pirate. I like what you did here as well. You got the blue hat and he's got a red beard. He's almost like a red beard Captain
No,
Phoenix.
that's not the red beard. That's orange.
Oh, it's orange, is it? Oh,
But
sorry.
a different color.
Different color.
And that's
I like
red.
his legs. It's pretty
That's
good.
red. That's red.
That's red. So what's one thing you know about pirates? Share with everyone.
Eye patch, hats, swords, and hooks, and skull and crossbones, and Jolly Roger, and
What's
eye
the...
patch.
Who's Jolly Roger?
The flag.
A flag. So that's what, when you see this
Jolly-
skull and crossbones on a flag, they called that the Jolly Roger. So what if one of the pirates said, you're going to go to Davy Jones's locker?
And the bottom of the ocean.
That's right. You're going to get sent to the bottom of the ocean. That's right.
Like the Titanic.
Like the Titanic. That's right. It's at the bottom of the ocean.
Yes. Hey everybody, I hope you liked the video, and I hope you thought the video and subscribe.
That's right. Yep. Subscribe to our channel for future videos that are coming up. That's for sure. So everyone, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is...
Phoenix!
And today we had fun making heart. I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
And so Phoenix, what are we going to do next? I don't know. What am I? Daddy's saying all the wrong things.
Daddy.